Hello there guys, and welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today we will make a classic risotto, also known as Risotto Bianco. This is the base for any type of risotto. So let's get started. I'm using 1/2 of onion and some celery, which I will finely chop. In a pan we will add the drizzle of olive oil, the onion and the celery. We will cook them until the onion starts to change its color. It took me around 3 minutes. Next we will add some Arborio rice and we'll cook it until it becomes translucent. Make sure to constantly stir in order to avoid burning the onion. As soon as the rice becomes translucent, add some white wine and stir in until it evaporates. Then we will start adding our vegetable stock or any stock you want. We will add the stock in batches until all the rice is al dente. It took me around 15 minutes to cook the rice on a medium heat. Don't forget to taste before seasoning with salt and pepper. As soon as the rice is cooked, turn off the heat and add butter and parmigiano. Let the heat of the pan melt the butter and the parmigiano. Check the consistency with a spoon or spatula by dragging it like a wave. If the risotto falls back into itself, it's perfect. Give this a final stir and you're done. Well guys, this is the recipe for making risotto bianco. Make sure to constantly stir in and turn up the heat once the rice is cooked. Then add the butter and the parmigiano, otherwise the parmigiano might stick to the pan. Also you can add mushrooms and end up with a mushroom risotto. This is the base for many types of risotto. You can add whatever you want. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes. See ya guys, bye!